Hello, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to withdraw on BoloUp. The first step you have to take is this. Log into your BoloUp app. Click on the Me option found at the bottom of your screen. So right here, you're going to see an option called Diamond. Click on it. So this is the page where you can withdraw any amounts you want to withdraw from your BoloUp account. So the first thing you have to do is to select your withdrawal method. Let's say I select USDT TRC20. So next thing you have to do here is this. Bind your card by going to the exchange that you want to withdraw the money to. Let's say I want to withdraw it to my Trust wallet. So right here on my Trust wallet, all I have to do is to click on the receive option. Scroll gently and click on USDT Tron because I selected USDT TRC20. It's the same thing with this network. I just have to click on it. Copy the withdrawal address here. Then head straight to my BoloUp app. All I have to do is to paste my withdrawal address and type in my email and click on submit. So this, I have bind my withdrawal to my Trust wallet. So all I have to do here is to type in the amount I want to withdraw. I don't have money on my BoloUp, so you're not going to see an amount yet. But if you have money or diamond on your BoloUp, you just have to type the amount of diamond you want to withdraw and also convert it by clicking on this arrow option here. It will be converted to dollar. The next thing you have to do is to click on the withdraw option in order to withdraw the money. You can withdraw a minimum of $10 daily and only one withdrawal per day. The arrival of the fund will last for within 1 to 3 days. So if you don't receive it the first day and the second day, don't get depressed. The third day you will receive it. Maybe network is disturbing for that moment. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to withdraw your money on BoloUp app. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.